Welcome back. Today's crypto altcoin is Verasity, otherwise known as VRA by its ticket symbol. But before I get into VRA, if you're into altcoins, I'm going to review one altcoin for you a week, and I'm going to give you the market update once a week too. So if that sounds good, consider subscribing. But let's get right into VRA. I'm going to give you price predictions and compare it to Bitcoin. So let's get started with the VRA. Why is this one looking pretty good? Well, a lot of altcoins are actually bleeding at the moment. A lot of altcoins are actually going down. You can actually have a look at several altcoins if you've got a chart, and you can see in the last couple of days they've been going down. VRA, however, has not. And that is a very weird thing, that this crypto out of all other altcoins is still going up. Now, that's not to be said. There's 10,000 cryptos. There's going to be a lot of them that go up and down and things like that. But VRA is actually getting some really good signs in the past couple of days. If we have a look at our other altcoins, you can see that they're going down a lot. But VRA is not. You can see here, a couple of days, every day it's going up, and you're starting to get some really nice, good volume coming in. So this thing is due for a nice big push. Now, I want to stress that crypto has been going down the last week or two. Some cryptos have been going sideways, but in this case, it's been going up. But you still want to be careful, because the overall trend, if you were to do an overall trend, you would see that it's kind of going slightly down, sideways, but slightly down. And that puts VRA, if you're going for a long position in the short term, at a little bit of a higher risk position because you're going against the trend. However, if the trend should reverse and crypto goes up in the coming days or coming weeks, VRA should theoretically be a very good slingshot to the upside, because it's already going up and it's going to push up higher once the market starts to get absorbed by the whales and push up to higher prices. So what am I seeing? So first of all, like I said, you want to take a look at your volume. Volume is so key because it shows you the level of interest in your crypto. If your crypto has high volume, whether it's to the down or the up, that means there's a lot of interest there. There's a lot of people activity is happening there, and that's what's going to give you the big pumps and the big dumps. So just have a little bit of risk tolerance and you should be okay. But you can see, looking at VRA, you can see, look at the red bars down the bottom, guys. Very, very low. When it's very low, what is that telling you? It means no one's selling. There's no supply. But on the flip side, you have green, very high, good volume coming into the market, but especially the last couple of days. And that's really the key here, is you want to see some energy in your market. That doesn't mean it has to be on green days. It just more so you want to see green volume on good up days, or you want to see red, low volume days. So you can see here, look at this candle right here. This is showing you major support. So you can see it tended to sell off with a wick on the bottom, closed right at the top with good volume. And what happens after that? You can see the trend doesn't break. You still go all the way up. Now you get your pullback, and now you're waiting for it. Where's it going to pull back to? Well, let's just draw a very quick 50%, and you can see they're coming at 0.0044 cents per Verasity on the KuCoin exchange. There is still, like I said, a chance it can break. Unfortunately, these things can happen, and I want to stress that there is no one out there who can forecast every single video, every single prediction 100% accurate. Everyone has got it wrong, and that's just the nature of the beast. Sometimes you just can't predict what's going to happen in future. But like I said, 50% coming up there at 0.004 of a Verasity, but you really don't want to see this thing breaking 0.004 cents, right, which is basically this one right here. You don't want to see it breaking there. If that starts breaking, time to pack up your bags and go. But in terms of price predictions, you can actually get a pretty good level of it right here. So where's our resistance? Look at our swing chart. There it is. Resistance 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there at 0.0050, call it. That will be an area of resistance, and that's already going to get you some juicy profits from where it is at the moment. I wouldn't consider this any long-term hold. I wouldn't really consider any altcoin a long-term hold for now at the moment. There are some, but still I would put very small positions and just keeping it there in case they should go against you. You're not going to lose much, but just adding to the positions on the way up just to reduce your risk, to really confirm the trend is overall up. Everyone talks about getting altcoins on the way down. That's not really good, because they can come down hard and fast, and at that point you've put too much in your bag. Unless it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you can just keep doing that, because those things will definitely dictate the crypto market overall. But I've talked about that plenty of time. Now let's have a look at Verasity against its Bitcoin value, and you can see against its BTC value, much like its USD value, the trend against its very, very short term has started to go up. And where do we have it? We have it right here, right? 1st of August, you can see trend has been up. Look at all this nice good bars, guys. Not many cryptos have that, and Verasity does. Hence, you're getting there on the pullback. And again, let's have a look at our 50% from there to there, and you can see it's coming at 0.000001539 of a Bitcoin for one Verasity. So those are going to be your areas for it. Again, it can break, but like I said, there's your swing top there at the 0.00001754 for some resistance coming there as well. So again, a short-term bag, a nice, good, high-quality altcoin for you. But again, be aware that the trend overall has been slightly down, sideways, but slightly down overall. So we're starting to see some energy come to the market and dictate where the market's going to go up. So again, if it goes up, Verasity should be one of the ones that's going to be in the forefront. If it goes down, Verasity hopefully will not be one that pulls back down as hard. But again, open up a chart. You've got your price predictions there. You've got your prices there in front of you, and that should overall give you a good idea of where this crypto is going to go depending on the market. But until then, I will catch you on the next market update video.